Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02260 error in Oracle database 12C. So here you can see that I have logged in as a common user called c#score in SQL Plus editor. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the queries. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one table called employees2, okay, which contains employee number column, it will be a primary key, okay, comma, name column will be varchar2. This will also a primary key, okay, enter. Okay, ORA-02260 table can have only one primary key. So when you create a table, select which column should be a primary key. Okay, so employee number is a valid column, it can be a primary key. So name, there are many common names are there, okay, so it will be clashing. So employee number is a good column to select as a primary key, and make sure that a table can have only one primary key.